PS4 Slim. Problem they're having with it is it's having drive motor problems. They can get it to feed if they force it, but otherwise it doesn't work. So take you through what I found here. I've already kind of done a pre-diagnosis on this. There is presumably our motor controller. So we've done the routine of working through the fuses. It's not a fuse. Everything seemed good on this top side. Or I thought it did. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Of course, I didn't have my meter connected to show you. Try that again. I don't know if you can hear the beep or not. So, okay, we're good there. We're good there. Flip over to near the Renaissance chip. Take a look at 46202 and 46201. Hmm, 46201 is fine, but we are getting nothing on 46202. So it is my hope that this is the issue. There's another fuse down here that is testing fine. Okay, that one's fine. So 46202 appears to be our culprit. I'm not going to be able to show you the final results, but I will be able to tell you if it worked out or not. The first thing we're going to have to do is pull that. And for that, I think I'm going to throw up my temperatures. Don't pay attention. Well, I guess I might lower the airflow if I to put the fuse back on. So yeah, I might use that speed. But I'm probably just going to at least hand remove it. All right. See if we can hand remove this using a Pico pencil with a generous amount of solder on it. All right, and it is off. Typically, if you just flood something with solder, you can get it off. And it's already got leaded on there thanks to that. So we need to pull one of our donors provided by the client. First we need to find a good fuse. Okay, that one appears to be good. Very good. In this case, I do think we will move it with hot air. I don't want to torture it with the iron, and I don't care about the donor. So. Very good. Just want to stick to one side of the tweezers. Go that side. and pop it down. And we need to do some maneuvering. Okay. Alright, we're going to drop our airflow down to about 20%. Should melt pretty quick because it's leaded now. Or at least got leaded melt, mixed in. Kind of flopped right into place there. Beautifully. And that should be good. Okay. Alright. Let's do a test. Sorry for the lack of focus. Alright. Good to go. So I am going to take this back over to their shop and let them perform the test. Okay, we took it back to the shop and everything checked out. They did have to do some additional work with the drive motor or drive rotors, some plastic parts in the drive that were causing a problem that actually caused the fuse to blow. So they were able to repair that. The board and the fuse held up, so everything's good. And that's really all I have for this video. If you have any questions about the equipment I used, take a look in the description below. If you like this video, do me a favor and hit the like button on your way out. And if you want to see more videos like it, do me a favor and hit the subscribe button, maybe the notification bell. I usually post about 2 videos a week at this point. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. And that's all I really have to ask of you. Appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time.